We are descendants of those that ascended from heaven above, whose language was unfamiliar. They spoke of things to come as if they've come. They somehow had a way to say things, and they became. Our very existence is low. Men of whom this world was not worthy marveled the earth with magnificence, gifted with the essence to appear in the presence of the omnipotence. In Zion they stood, there in a mountain of extravagant fire, and their delicate feet were not bent. Their elegant garments could not even catch the smoke of the fire. We are of the Mosaic generation. We are descendants of a man that split the ocean. In his voice colding, manna fell compelling. In his command, meat heeded his call. Multitudes of ravens at disposal. How great thou art! Thine staff in the hands of a mortal did exploit, it exploited water, changed the chemical composition of H2O to somewhat what seemed like blood. It struck a rock and somehow water sprang forth there in the desert somewhere. A mere man spoke face to face with the God of creation, stood in the table of counselors with the audacity to cancel out God's plans. He said, "No, Master, do not do that to your people. Have you forgotten Psalms 82? Let me enlighten you. We are gods, sons of the Most High, but we all shall die like mortals." We are kings, enthroned in eternity, despite the demise of our mortality due to our immorality. Nevertheless, this flesh is embedded with an immortal spirit that shall neither see grave nor grieve as the fires of hell gravel through. Just as Mephibosheth, we are fetched from Lo-debar, some even behind bars, and here the Lord has raised the bar. He has clothed us with royalty. We are kings, remember. Our kingly garments are embroidered with majesty. Usiya imbongo.